Hi, my name is Ryan Williams. I'm the chef here at the Grove Houston Discovery Green. Today I'm going to show you a simple, easy, and healthy dish that you can make at your house called Tuna Aguachile. So Tuna Aguachile is a salad made of diced tuna, fresh avocado, cucumber, orange segment, serrano, a little bit of red onion, and lime juice. So right now I'm going to demonstrate how you make the aguachile sauce. The aguachile sauce is the most important with this tuna dish, as it adds most of the flavor and enhances the tuna flavor. Alright, so first up for this aguachile sauce, what we're going to do is add fresh tomatillos, fresh serrano, the chili in the agua, ginger, a little bit of yellow onion, and a lot of lemon juice. I already have some squeezed here. For the herbal components, we're going to add fresh basil, a lot of cilantro. Using the stems is okay, as the stems have a lot of flavor in cilantro, and some fresh mint. Okay, then we're going to puree this up. Once it's fully smooth, you want to taste it. Make sure that all the flavors are fully balanced, slightly spicy and sweet. Now sweetness we're going to add is the agave nectar and a pinch of sea salt. Now stir it around and give it a taste. Delicious. So the sauce is complete, tastes great. Now we're ready to compile the tuna. Beautiful, #1 grade ahi tuna. We're just going to simply slice and dice. Add it to our mixing bowl. Oh. All right, now we're going to season up the tuna. So a little bit of sea salt. I like to season up the tuna first so I can actually see how much salt is in there. Once you start getting a lot of ingredients, it becomes more difficult to see how much salt. All right, and then we're going to add a little bit of our fresh chopped cucumber. A little bit more. Some minced red onion. Minced serrano. A bunch of lime juice. Some chopped cilantro, orange segments. The orange segments add a really nice sweetness to this dish. So one ingredient that's really special is this toasted coriander. Coriander is the seed of cilantro, which really enhances the flavor of the tuna. Then we're going to give it a nice little stir, incorporate all the ingredients, make sure there's even base of cucumber, red onion, serrano with the tuna. We're going to add the aguachile. Pretty healthy amount. You really want it to coat every piece of tuna. And we're going to dice some avocado. All right, one final stir. Finish it off with some nice chips, and you have a wonderful dish for any special occasion at your house.
Hi, my name's Jesus Severance. I'm here at the Grove in Houston at Discovery Green Park. Today we're going to be making the Grove Texas Smoked Paloma. It's going to be our take on a classic Paloma. So in our Texas Smoked Paloma, we're going to start with the Cazadores tequila. We're going to top it off with a little bit of the Ilegal Mezcal and Grand Marnier, which is an orange liqueur. Top of that, we're going to use ruby red grapefruit juice, fresh squeezed grapefruit juice, fresh squeezed lime juice, as well as a jalapeno infused simple syrup. It's a classic simple syrup infused with serrano peppers, as well as a little bit of grapefruit zest to soften it up a little bit. So on our Texas Smoked Paloma, what we're going to do is we're going to start off with one thinly sliced serrano pepper. We're going to muddle that to break it up. We want to kind of break it up to where it's consistent throughout the whole cocktail. After that, we're going to grab our shaker tins. We're going to do 3/4 ounce Cazadores tequila, 1/2 ounce of Grand Marnier, and 1/2 ounce of mezcal, the Ilegal mezcal. After that, we're going to do 1 ounce of the ruby red grapefruit juice, with 1/2 ounce of fresh grapefruit juice, 1 ounce of lime juice, and 1/2 ounce of the jalapeno infused simple syrup. Everything's shaker. We're going to shake it dry. We don't want to water it down, dilute it with ice yet. And then we're going to just pour it over fresh ice. And then we're going to garnish it with a grapefruit wedge. Grove Texas Smoked Paloma pairs perfectly with the Tuna Aguachile that goes along perfectly with the smokiness and the serrano, the spiciness of the Texas Smoked Paloma. It's a perfect combination on a warm summer Houston day.
Hi, my name is Jody Fiess, and I'm the General Manager of the Grove at Discovery Green Park. We'd like to take a moment to welcome you back to one of the best dining spots in the city. Whether it be in our modern dining room or on our expanded patio overlooking the park itself, we have elevated cuisine and a new menu, craft cocktails, and an embellished service that are sure to provide you an experience of a lifetime. Come back, and if you haven't come before, we'd like for you to come discover it here at Discovery Green.